So we've heard the presentations on the different areas of study, and now it's time to make the choice. In the case of the Dr. Stoltz's group, what he wants is for the entire group to pursue the same area of study. So let's say, for instance, you guys choose to study the synthesis of fragrances. That does not mean that you guys are all going to be in the lab working on the same machine, creating the same fragrance and testing the same fragrance and creating a report based on the results of your experiments. The way that that's going to work is that each person, or it might be a pair of, you guys might be broken up into pairs, are going to be creating your own fragrances and then working off of the production of the fragrance and testing the results, smelling, doing the smell tests, and so on and so forth. So, but yeah, now is the time to make the choice. And so go ahead and fill out this Google form, which would be linked here. And then I will let you know the results. We can go about this a couple of different ways. We can do majority rules, and so 4 out of the 7 students wanted to do antibiotic synthesis. I'll let you guys know that that's the majority, but then there may be a student who feels extremely strongly about conducting research in the area of the synthesis of herbicides, and we should give that student the platform to make his argument and have a discussion. And so that is, this section here is the choice, right? This could go one of 2 ways. One way is the majority wants to create fragrances. Everybody says yes, sounds fine, let's go for it. I chose herbicides, but I'm willing to do fragrances. All of these areas are interesting and should be a productive course of study. On the flip side, I could say, well, it was a split decision, 3 people towards herbicides and 4 people towards antibiotics. And so we're going to go to antibiotics following the majority rules, law of majority rules, and herbicides people kind of throw their pencils in the air and start screaming at the top of their lungs, right? And if that's the case, then we do need to begin to have a discussion on the reasons why you feel so strongly about that choice, right? And so hopefully by the end of this discussion here, or the end of this task, well, the end result is that everybody's on the same page. Everybody understands the reason why they are studying that area of study and are passively, maybe not passive is not the right word, but with one heart, right, and one mind, are moving forward towards that goal.